I think one of your intern had written something and you had shared it and you had asked people for their feedback and you had in fact appreciated. I think so that was one thing which I really, really liked about you, that people need to encourage these students and must acknowledge their efforts. The way you had published on because you are a renowned face in the fraternity, people know you, people follow you. And if somebody like you will encourage and acknowledge these interns who are working for you, these research assistants, then definitely these students will come to our light, to our notice. Because I read that article and it was beautifully drafted and I was surprised to see how a student can write so well. So that is one thing which is very important. Writing definitely helps. And once you write, you eventually somehow come into the notice of the other person. Like sometimes I'm reading articles on bar and bench, live law, and I see these students writing and I'm really surprised how they're writing so beautifully. Because at the end of the day, we all want people who can craft properly, who have the sound knowledge of the law, who have the basic understanding of the law. Because I know how difficult it is to write an article. If you're writing an article of one page, then you should at least have the idea of how of things, why of things about that particular topic. You must know the history, background, present, amendments. So you need to be very precise and you should be very updated regarding that article, regarding that topic on which you are writing this piece of work. But I think that what students can do is, my suggestion is that they should pick up any topic. So regarding arbitration, for instance, so there are going to be amendments in 2018 which have been proposed. So people can pick up that topic and write on those amendments. You can criticize them. You can analyze those amendments. Now there is going to be in 2018 a bill is going to come in July or probably in August in the monsoon session. We will have a Delhi International Arbitration Center bill. So the 𝘂�57, they are going to now change it, and there is going to be a new proper bill for this. And because we are promoting institutional arbitration in India, so you need to pick up these topics and you should start writing. Once you start writing, you make any article, or if any important judgment has been pronounced, what you do is you make a report of that and you send it to live law. Mr. M.A. Rashid has been encouraging people. He is running live law and I think he has done a fabulous job. So you merely email them that article and they will publish it in your name. And once you get that publication, you start sharing on WhatsApp with your friends. You email it to your professors. You email it to your seniors, places where you have interned at. You ask them for your feedback. I think it's a wonderful idea to showcase your talent. And this way you can actually prove that you know the law, you can draft well, you have command over the language. So I think writing is a very nice way of doing it. And even when you are applying somewhere for a job, you can send this piece which has been published in any of these journals or in any of these online portals. You can in fact tell them about this achievement of yours. And I think it definitely helps. It is an add-on on your CV.